So what happens while you're editing and you want to create a slow motion effect, only to realize that you didn't shoot in a high frame rate?
Oh.
Stay tuned in this video. I'm going to show you how to create a slow motion effect even when you didn't shoot in high frame rate. Hi everyone, my name is Sam from Film Editing Plus, where editing is made easy, and I'm also a certified DaVinci trainer. Shooting in slow motion has several creative and practical purposes, making it a valuable technique in filmmaking and videography. And some of the reasons why as a filmmaker you want to shoot in slow motion is to emphasize details, to enhance drama, to highlight aesthetics, to create aesthetic effect for pacing and rhythm, and the list goes on. To achieve slow motion effect, you will typically record your video at a higher frame rate than the standard 24 or 30 frame rate, and then play it back at the standard frame rate. The higher frame rate captures more information per second, allowing for smoother, slower playback. So if you didn't shoot in slow motion, this is what you can do. I'm using a footage from a music video which I shot a few months ago. I'm going to drop the link to the music video. It's actually a Zimbabwean artist, gospel artist song. Okay, so as you can see, it plays in normal frame rate. I think this is edited in let's look at the information there. It's a 24 frames per second. Okay, so shot at 24 frames per second. Okay, so let's play it back again. As you can see, it's a dolly in shot playing at a normal speed. Okay, but what if at this point I wanted to create a slow motion effect? How can I do that? Like I showed you, this footage is in 24 frames per second. So in order for me to turn it into a slow motion, you come here, you click the inspector tab, and when you come to the inspector tab, you need to come to here, speed change. This is where you want to come. So if I highlight my clip here and I come here to speed change, it's activated already. Now you come here to speed percent. Okay, so if I want it to slow down by 50%, you just come here and you can decide to put 50, and when you type in your 50 and click, now immediately you see what happens. Instead of 24 frames per second, it's been divided into 2, which gives me 12 frames per second. And then when I play this clip back, now you see how slow it goes. Okay. And I can also spread it out, so you can see it's now playing in slow motion. But when you look at it, it's not smooth, it's jittery. You can see the frames, it's breaking. It's not a smooth slow motion effect that I've created. So how do you fix this for it to look like you actually shot it in a high frame rate onset? This is what you do. After doing this, you need to come here to retime and scaling, and you come to the first option here, retime process. When you click it, you see the options it gives you. It gives you nearest, frame blend, and optical flow. And where you want to go is optical flow. It helps create this in between frames, ensuring that the motion appears fluid and natural when the video is played back at a slower speed. So that is what optical flow does. Now we've clicked optical flow. Now we're going to play back the video and look at how it plays smooth. It's no more jittery like how it was before. If we compare this to, if we go back to project setting the way it was before, look at how it plays. You see it's skipping frames. It's quite jittery and not presentable. It doesn't look professional at all. But once you put it on optical flow, it plays normal, as if you actually shot it on a slow mo, on a high frame rate. So this is how you can use a video that was shot at a normal frame rate and create a slow motion effect, and it looks real as if you actually shot it on high frame rate per second onset. Please ensure to click the like button and subscribe to this page if you like this video. This helps us create more tutorial video for you out there. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.